All of you. This is a e-content class of human resource management. The topic for today is objectives of human resource management. So the objectives of human resource management refers to the goal, the aim of human resource management. The first and foremost objective of human resource management is to achieve to help in achievement of organizational goals. Human resource department, like other departments in the organization, exists to achieve organizational goals of organizational goals. Here, when you talk about each and every department has human resource, these human resource are motivated, inspired to achieve the objective of organization. Next point is to employ the skills and abilities of the workforce efficiently. The primary purpose of human resource management is to make people strengths productive and benefit customers, stakeholders and employees. As human resource management employs skilled labor and develop the abilities in order to make the people strengthen, more productive, which would be beneficial for customers and the stakeholders. Stakeholders are the people who are being part of the organization, who are being associated with the organization, and the employees. The next point is to provide organization with well trained and well motivated employees. HRM requires that an employee is motivated to the maximum efforts that their performance be evaluated properly for better results. So here when you talk about an organization, when a employee is well trained and well motivated, he will be working with his maximum efforts. With those efforts, maximum performance can be achieved and those performance can be provided with the better results. The next point is to increase employee satisfaction. Human resource tries to stimulate every employee to realize his potential. It helps in designing suitable programs to improve the quality of work life. So, as each and every employee in the organization is motivated to realize his or her potential, when the people understand their potential, they will be able to work very well and perform very well in the organization. Based on that, the quality of work life can be achieved. Next point is to develop and maintain a quality of work life. It makes employee in the organization a desirable personal and social aspect. It helps in improving quality of work life, which helps in improving organization performance. As an employee is being increased or is being motivated, he increases his quality of work. When he increases the quality of work, his desire refers to his needs are being fulfilled, his personal needs are fulfilled and the social needs are also being fulfilled. Next point is to communicate HR policies to the employees. As the objective of HRM is not only to look after the HRM, it is also to communicate the things which are being required to each and every person working in an organization. It is a responsibility of HRM to communicate in the possible sense the ideas, opinions and the feelings of customer and understanding the human resource properly. Next point is to be ethically and socially responsible to needs of society. Human resource management must ensure it follows ethics, proper principles, social norms, social rules and regulations which are being there in the society to meet the ethical standards. Next point is to achieve functional objective. HRM helps in achieving the functional objective in of all the departments and achieve organizational objectives. As a functional objective, the human resource management achieves all the objectives of other departments. Next is the personal objective. Human resource management tries to achieve personal objective. Personal objective refers to an individual objective of each and every person who's been working in the organization. With the help of achieving a personal objective, a job satisfaction can be achieved in the organization. This is what the objective of HRM is. Thank you.